I made my own snowman, and I'm making an igloo. I'm gonna go around the church. It's like snow. As you can see, I'm walking on it. I can barely see my phone because it's so bright. I don't want to step on the cement area because it could slip me. Wow, look at this. This is the back of the church. It's very, very thick snow. This is incredible. Look how deep it's getting. Oh my God. There's birds playing. Yeah, the birds are out. This is amazing. Getting my exercise. Oh, there's an icicle. Get around it. Check it out. And that's the other side. And it's deep here, of course. I hear something. And that's the other side. There's some more icicles there. Whew. What a workout.